Vertical pump before start dismantling, remove the electrical supply the motor. First unscrew and remove the coupling bolts to check the properly all coupling bolts are unscrewed and removed. Then remove the pump delivery flange bolts and nuts. Next unscrew and remove the casing base bolts. After again check and clarify the delivery flange bolts and casing base bolts all removed. Remove the motor mounting bolts and carefully lift the motor outside the casing. Coupling removing process. Unscrew the coupling locking grub screw and remove the coupling from the head shaft. After removing the coupling, remove the coupling locking spacer and coupling key. Rotate the lock nut clockwise and remove it from the head shaft. After, remove the locking washer. Then remove the second check nut by rotating a clockwise. Take out the spacer washer. After removing the spacer washer, remove the thrust disc outside the head shaft. Remove the bearing housing shaft key. Now lift the pump casing carefully. At the bottom side, lock the rotating assembly using a locking supporting clamp. Lower the casing and fix it properly on the clamp stand. Unscrew and remove the casing rotating assembly joining bolts. After removing the casing and rotating assembly bolts, to lift the casing upside. To lift the casing outside the head shaft. After removing the pump casing, next remove the head shaft from the rotating assembly. Remove the muff coupling locking grub screw. Push the muff coupling upward and remove the split collar. Now remove the head shaft completely. After, lift the entire rotating assembly out of the tank. Start the rotating assembly dismelting by removing all bolts and nuts, keeping two bolts loose fitted for safety. Lift the first column pipe, supporting it with wooden backing the second column pipe. Easy removing the first column pipe purpose. After, unscrew and remove the flange bolts and nuts. After removing the opposite bolts and nut removing, push and separate the column pipe from the intermediate shaft. Dismantling the intermediate shaft. Remove the muff coupling locking grub screw. Use a muff coupling puller. Muff coupling puller. Insert the intermediate shaft muff coupling. Use a muff coupling puller and tighten it to push the coupling outside the intermediate shaft. Remove the split collar and take out the intermediate shaft. Second column pipe. Lift the second column pipe with the proper wooden support the reducer pipe bottom side. Remove the opposite bolts and nuts the second column pipe flange. Separate the column pipe to push the outside the intermediate shaft. Dismantling the second intermediate shaft. Remove the grub screw from the muff coupling. Use the puller to remove the muff coupling. To tighten the puller bolts to push the forward from the muff coupling. After remove the split collar and take out the shaft. Already dismantling the two intermediate shaft and two column pipes. Next, remove the impeller shaft dismantling. Lift the reducer pipe using proper support. After packing wooden piece backside the bottom of the bowl, remove the bolts of the reducer flange. After removing the bolts to push the pipe outside the impeller shaft. Bowl and impeller dismantling for easy purpose. Keep the impeller shaft in vertical position. First stage, remove the bowl bolts and nuts. After, lift the bowl from the impeller shaft. Remove the impeller locking flange bolts. Take out the locking flange outside the impeller shaft. After, remove the split locking washer. After removing the flange and split washer. By using a smooth emery paper, emery the shaft. After lift and remove the first impeller outside the impeller shaft. After removing the impeller key outside the shaft. After remove the second ball, bolts and nuts. Lift the ball outside the impeller shaft. Unscrew and remove the impeller locking flange bolts. Take out the locking flange outside the shaft. After taking out the locking split washer. After use a smooth emery paper to emery the shaft. After lift and remove the second impeller. After removing the impeller key. Finally, remove the impeller shaft from the strainer bowl. After dismantling is completed. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.